Hi, beloved friends. This is Virendra Dr. In this early morning, my mind is very much inspired to serve you and really stimulate your intelligence to develop tremendous belief and faith and confidence in your ability. Take possession of the power of your mind and control and direct it towards attaining any goal of your life. And you are there to become successful, and you are bound to be crowned with successful, because your power of imagination, your power of perseverance and persistence, continual action will bring you any goal, glory, greatness and success in life. But just one thing is very much definite. You must believe in yourself. You must have tremendous confidence in your own ability and the people surrounding you, who are maintaining very harmonious relation with you and really stimulating your intelligence and inspiring you when you are facing difficulties, obstacles, challenges, adversities, because that is inevitable. It is not a cakewalk. The life is not a bed of roses. There are different hurdles and obstacles when you are chasing any goal in your life. So in that context, remember the great word of William Shakespeare, who said, "Cowards die many times in their lives, but a valiant test of death but once." I wish, and I really sincerely wish, that you should be a valiant, real hero in life. Because remember, lives of great men all remind us, we can make our life sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. In the world broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a dumb driven cattle, be a hero in their strife. Beloved friends, you are a hero. You are a great, powerful person, blessed with the power of your mind, the power of your soul, the power of your will, the power of your desire, determination, conviction, belief and faith. But always have a positive mental attitude. Do everything leading to your happiness and success without harming and hurting other individuals in the society. And then you are a successful person. Your progressive realization of the worthy ideals of your life is really definite and certain. But you should always see that you are successful and you are making millions more successful. You are happy and making millions more people happy on this planet Earth. But one thing, what I want to share with you, never get discouraged, never be disappointed when you are facing adversities, misfortune and challenges. Be a brave, be a great warrior, be a great person who treat every adversities, misfortune, defeats just temporary, and be willing to tread down all difficulties and danger. By the power of your will, the determination, the conviction that you are invictus, you are coming out flying colors. Remember, you are a player on this planet Earth, the world's a stage. That's why you should never be attached, you should never be having any kind of safety to save your life at the cost of your dignity, honor and pride. People who achieve greatness, they were fearless. They never have doubt, fear, indecision in their life. They were always going with tremendous belief, confidence and faith and daring. Remember Napoleon the Great, the warrior, who always challenged every adversities and misfortune. And when he is facing circumstances not very congenial to his victory, he says, if the circumstances are not congenial, make them, attack. That is spirit you should have in life. Otherwise, you will be a timid, you will be a coward, and there is no place for such timid who is fearful, who is afraid, who is doubtful, and who is not sincere towards the responsibility of his life. A life has to be gallant, a life has to be brave, a life to have tremendous courage and conviction and belief and faith. Death has no meaning. People live in dates, not in years. Remember the history, date of birth and date of death is inevitable. How many years you live is not important. What is significant is how you live your life, the quality and not the quantity. In that context, I want to just inspire you that dream very big, dare and decide and set self for your task. Never surrender before difficulties, hindrances, adversities, and you know, be not delay. Be not disappointed in delay, but wait. And when His Spirit rises and commands, even the gods will be ready to obey. I repeat it, and remember always, be not impatient in delay, but wait. And as one who understands, when His Spirit rises and commands, the gods are ready to obey. You always believe, never lose your faith. You may fall several times. You may fail several times. And when things looks all gloomy, dark, but you will definitely have a silver ray in the clouds. Hope, faith and belief will keep you motivated to progress towards your journey, towards your goal of life. And always follow a path never taken by anyone else. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. What Robert Frost wrote in his Roads Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Yes, do what nobody has done. Dream what nobody dared, because you can do better than anybody else who has achieved in life. But just be willing person, just be desirous person, just have courage and conviction, believe in faith. And also remember, be ready to challenge even God. If God is depriving you from certain opportunities, He's delaying you, never kneel down before even the will of God, because खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Beloved friends, this is a Urdu poem by great Muhammad Iqbal. The meaning of this poem is, you make yourself so much powerful that you are empowered to write your own destiny and fate. Then God will surrender to your supreme willpower and give you the opportunity to decide what you want to become in life. God helps those who help themselves. God is always there to help you. But you be a great helper of yourself. And never forget, when you are faced with tremendous challenges, adversities and misfortune in life, the great poem boy William Ernst Henley, the great man, what a great poem he wrote. His life was miserable because he has to lose his knees in early childhood because of a very chronic disease. And then he took the power of his soul and mind and heart, and he became a fearless man and lived happily despite of all the handicaps, and he became so brave that he dared to compose a great poem Invictus. I remember it, and I request you remember it always. When you are facing challenges, difficulties, hardships, adversities and misfortune, because either way death is inevitable. Shakespeare said, valiant test death but once. And you are valiant, you are hero, you are brave. And here the poem Invictus means unconquerable by William Ernst Henley. out of the night that covers me, black as a pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced or cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of shade. Yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of shade. Yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how state the gate, how charged with punishment they scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. That is the spirit, young Indians, and the young children of the world must develop it. You are the master of the fate, and you are the captain of your soul. By virtue of the thought, you choose and encourage because of your thought, the brave thought, the great thought, the invictus thought can make you really great, and you will be great. You will be what you will to be. Dare to dream lofty dreams and strive to achieve. You are great. Believe in yourself, but be very sure. Satyamev Jayate. Truth alone triumphs. If you are a man with positive mental attitude, you need not fear anything else. Victory belongs to the most persevering and to the person who is following the paths of truth and justice, peace, love and non-violence. The universal law of love, that should be your creed. The first responsibility and love for yourself, and then serving the entire humanity with a spirit of selfless spirit to see everyone happy, joyful, tranquil world, peaceful world, cooperating in harmonious relationship with everything. Man, birds, beasts, the environment. Everything should prosper along with us because we are brave, because we are great, because we are invictus. May God bless you. Thank you very much. And always remember, you will be what you will to be because you have the power of your brain. Think, always think. You are great, you are successful, you are prosperous. Everything is at your feet. Love, fame, fortune. May God bless you. Thank you for becoming my great friend. Thank you.